Hello, this is my 3D printed neck brace. The shape is custom made for my own neck. It is not like soft foam and it is not like hard plastic. It is sturdy and flexible. And I can put it on by flexing it. Let me take this off. And I can put it on like this. And the density and the thickness, they define how flexible it is. This material should last a long time. It should last even decades. I will show a photo while I'm wearing it from the front and from the side. In the rest of the video I will show how I made it and how it is 3D printed. I started with photogrammetry to make a shape of myself, to have a start to make the shape of my neck. I defined the Z-axis in the middle and I set 0 degrees to the front, and then I made 2D profiles at different angles. After turning the 2D profiles into 3D points, I made a surface of the points, which is then used to make a smooth surface. Then the surface is giving thickness to make it a solid shape, and I added the clips in the front. And to make this nice round edge at the top and bottom, I added a tube along the edge. First, I printed these hard plastic shapes to find the right shape for my neck. After that, I had the right shape, and so I printed one in TPU. I used TPU 95A with 14% Gyroid infill. This is Gyroid infill from the slicer, without walls. The 14% infill makes a sturdy neck brace, and this is only 4% infill, but that is too soft. I designed the clips and then I combined both the neck brace and the clips together into a single 3D model for the slicer. Then I export only the clips to a file, which I then use as a modifier for the slicer. I use the modifier to set the infill to 100%. So the clips are then printed with 100% infill. Well, that is my 3D printed neck brace. Thank you for watching.